In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Jira issues using JQL text search operators. If you've ever needed to find a group of tickets but couldn't remember the exact issue title or ID, this workflow makes things much easier. Instead of relying only on strict filters, Jira gives you a built-in text search system that helps you locate issues based on words and phrases inside fields like the summary, description, or comments. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the global issue search, switch into advanced JQL mode, run a contain search, refine it for more complex phrase matching, use a wildcard for partial words, and then save the result as a reusable filter. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site. If needed, sign in through the official Atlassian login page using your own account credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, move to the global navigation area at the top and click inside the search bar. From there, choose View All Issues. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press G and then I to jump directly into the issues view. When the issues page opens, you'll see the standard search workspace. To use text operators properly, switch from the visual filter mode into the advanced query editor. In the top right area, click Switch to JQL or select the code icon if that appears in your layout. This will open a single text field where you can type raw Jira query language. Now click into the JQL box and enter a basic contains search. In Jira, the contains operator is the tilde symbol. For example, you can type summary tilde followed by a phrase in double quotes like summary, authentication, or description, playwright script. Press enter and Jira will return issues containing that text in the field you searched. If you want to search for multiple words, you can make the query more specific. For example, comments. Database and migration looks for issues where both words appear in the comments. If you need an exact phrase in a specific order, use description, database migration. So Jira searches for that exact wording. You can also broaden your search with a wildcard. In the JQL field, type something like summary, automati. This helps match variations such as automate, automation, or automated without listing each one separately. Once your results look correct, save the search so you can use it again later. Click Save Filter above the query area, enter a short, clear title, and click Save. Then quickly review the issue list below to confirm the project, issue keys, and statuses all match what you intended. That's it. You now know how to use Jira's text search operators to find issues faster